And Baba, 84.80 is the low. That's Baba. That's 85.50 against 86. 85.50 against 86. Surprised Baba's coming in. Might even try it at 85.30. Yeah, might even try it at 85.30 against 86. Try to get some of that Baba up here. And I don't think I'm going to get this GE. I'm going to come back to it. I'm going to actually switch off. I think that GE is causing potential problems on my platform. Here's AMD coming into support level. Did get it there. I am short Baba at this 32-cent level. I'm looking for a low a day here, 84.50s. If we get a quick sweep below the hole, there's Facebook on lows. I will take a partial off. See if we can get a quick sweep below the 85 level there. There's Facebook. And we're back up here on Baba, surprisingly. I was expecting to see it come in quicker down below 85. And I see Facebook on lows. Facebook cracking lows hard here. Let's go ahead and set the low on Facebook. 82.50 is the low a day. This Baba's not going down. Interesting. Popping up. I could have gotten even better price there. I was looking at this 60-cent level as an initial spot, but there's Facebook on lows. Facebook coming in hard. Real hard. This Baba needs to start coming in. I'm still looking at this level. That was the original one. I was going to be more conservative with it, so okay to leave it on for a little bit here. It is wiggling around. I do think that she will go retest that low based on what I'm seeing here. I'm going to give Baba a little bit more time to come in. I do think she'll go retest that 84.50. Facebook coming in. I'm surprised to see this Baba up here. Up into the 70s and 80s. Oh, I might be wrong on this and get stopped out here. Did not expect to see it up here. So I'm going to give it a little bit of wiggle room. There's a lot of downside. I mean, we're at lows here, so I would not be surprised to see this crack and come into 84 even. So I'm going to give it a little bit more wiggle room. This Facebook is continuing to be on lows, and this 84.13, I just don't like the dailies. It's right in front of this support level. Gonna set an 181.76 low a day here on this. Let's check back in with Baba. Baba's starting to come back in. Need to see it come back down to this 85. I don't really want to be patient in this for too much longer. I like the selling. I just saw it 60 there, but she's popping back up to the 80s. Like, it's just not showing what I need for this play. But I see GEs on lows. I don't think I'm going to get that 84 short, so I'm going to cancel my GE shorts. And Baba now coming all the way back in. This is probably the trip back down. Here we go. Let's see what she does here. She really does need to get down and go at that 85 and get below. It's about as patient as I'm going to be with her. Everything else is on lows here, so it's time for Baba to make her way back down to lows. She's going to be like a market play. Lots of selling here at 49. So I'm seeing a seller participate in here, just not pushing. So I want to give it a little bit more time. I would like to see her go back down to that 85 and really start testing that. Don't want to see it back up here in the 70s. Let's go look at AMD. AMD's on lows. I don't know if I don't have a low a day set. Let's set a low a day here on AMD. I don't really have a play there. This Apple is also on lows, and this Baba is holding up. I was originally looking at this level to get the short on, but I went more aggressive here. I still like the short here. I mean, the market's on lows. I still like the short, but I really need to see it stay below that 80 cent. We got AMD on lows. Everything's on lows. I don't know why Baba's up in the 80s here. Up in the 90s. Yeah, this is just up and I'm going to get stopped out on this Baba. It's fighting everything going on in the market here. So, very curious. Wow, how quickly it came down there. Interesting. Interesting. Apple on lows. Market can't bounce at all. Not at all. But Baba, the one I'm shorting, is up above, and I'm about to take a stop on this Baba. Full stop. So let's go look at, we have Apple, let's go look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA grinding her way lower. Let's take a look here, 192.76. 192.76 is the low a day. Let's take a look at that. Facebook is starting to pop up. Facebook low, I have that in there. And Microsoft, I don't see a play in Facebook right now. Microsoft, just kind of holding on right here. Tesla heavily on lows. Wow, heavily on lows. Wow. Market, new lows. NVIDIA, new lows. And here comes Baba. And she really needs to get down at this point. She needs to get down and continue. Tesla is just falling apart here. Cracked that level, that 75 level, and just having issues. This 984 level in Tesla. A pretty big one. here. Let's look at Netflix. Netflix trying to hold on. Disney cracking lower. UPS cracking lower. DWAC popping up. AMD into support. Apple on lows. And this BABA is just not failing. It has not gained that 86. It's not able to gain that 86, but it's certainly not. Why is Sierra trying to load Amazon? This Apple's on lows and failed that level right there as well. This Apple looks weak. I'm starting to lose patience with this BABA. My time stop is running out on it. Really needs to get going. But it has not been able to gain that 86 whatsoever, and I really do think it's going to go hit that 84 level. So I'm going to try to hold on, but I don't like how it's hanging out up here. Apple trying to pop here. Trying to find some spots that might work on Apple. Big market pop here from the bottom. And this BABA is just not working. But it's also not violating that stop area. I need to leave it on and just let it go. Big bid advertising. They're going to hit him. They did. This seller, I think, is about to start moving. There he goes. And it just felt like there was a seller in here. Let's see if this thing can go. I mean, let's go test lows. I'm going to put another one down at 84. 21. This Bob is rolling over now. Let's see if she can go test lows. Market rolling over, coming back down. Everything on lows. Baba, big rejection of 86. Can we get back down and go test lows on this Baba? There's AMD on lows. Let's go look at AMD. AMD new lows. Can this Baba actually make its way down? NVIDIA on lows. Let me reset the AMD level. Low a day. NVIDIA. Let's go take a look. NVIDIA new lows. 191. Low a day. Here's Baba coming to test 85. Can it crack through 85 and go retest lows? It's finding a bid down at 85. Looks like there's 23,000 being advertised at 85. Can we get down? Can we get down and crack through that? There they are. Let's see if that seller comes and takes them out. Tesla on lows, market on lows, Apple on lows, everything on lows, AMD on lows, NVIDIA on lows. Let's see what this Baba does. Like to see it at least go try to test 85. There's the 85 test. Let's see how they take them. Those bids pulled. They are no longer there. Let's see what they do here. Market's on lows. BABA cracks 85. Let's see it go. Here's NVIDIA on lows. 91.60. Day. Let's take a look at AMD. BABA below 85 now. I really think this is going to go test lows. I think the seller is starting to work, but need them to actually do the work here, not try to reclaim this 85 level. So give it some more room to wiggle, but I'd like to see them make their way down to lows rather quickly there. Still 50 cents off of lows in BABA. AMD on lows. Let me reset that market, dropping out even harder. Apparently I chose the one that doesn't want to go to lows. This guy did some volume here, 50,000 shares at 85. Tesla on lows. But this offer is not coming down to push and punish this bid. Seller is just not pushing here. There's NVIDIA on lows. I gotta find a different vehicle because this BABA's not doing it. Pretty much every other ticker is on lows. There's AMD hitting fresh lows. And here's Microsoft on lows as well. I'm gonna reset that alert. Low day. And here's BABA bouncing. Wow. Not sure how much more patient I can be with this BABA. Wow. This is pretty insane. Everything really getting punished to lows, and this BABA can't even go stay below 85. I'm going to give it another one or two chances to try to crack 85 and get lower. Needs to get to the 80, 70s and really run, but we are well beyond my time stop, and I'm just not feeling comfortable in this trade. I don't like the fact that we have not revisited lows, so I don't like it. Wow. Wow. Netflix on lows. Microsoft on lows. There's Netflix on lows, 203.75. Low day. Cracking that level there. I need to test it a lot more than that though. AMD, crack that level. So this Baba put in a huge wick and came back in. Let's see. There's Netflix on lows. There's market again on lows. This Baba's got to do it now. If she doesn't crack this area below 85, I need to get out because it's just not happening. So let's see what happens here. We're back down here. We're going to test 85. Let's see if we can actually crack it. Should not be having this much issue getting an offer below 85. AMD on lows, continuing to move lower. I'm going to set a low a day down there. Apple, NVIDIA, let's take a look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA cracking 90.66. Set a low a day there. And here's Baba, and it's kind of now or never here for Baba. There's Microsoft on lows. Microsoft on lows. Let me reset the low down here. And on this Baba, I mean, I'm trying to hold on to my size because I do think that this setup is valid, but just keeps defending this 85. I'm going to have to take some off here because it's showing me that it can't get down. I don't see really another issue or another situation here. Entire market is breaking down and this Baba just cannot. Let's see what they do here. Can they get back? Can they get actually below these 90s? Trying. Trying. Can we get an offer to come down? It's better there. That's better. Starting to get that selling that I was looking for. That's better. Got a cover there. Down at lows. Can we go retest that low a day? Here we go. This is the move I was looking for. I'd like to get another big down move into the below 50 cents. Let's see if we can get it here. Not getting it yet. Can we get a big push down below 50 cents? There we go. Got below 50 cents. Can we get a flush on this Baba? Down to the 40s. Not seeing the flush that I was looking for. That down to the 40s again. Let's see them push. 30s. 30s. I'm in the 20s. I'm in the 20s for another cover. And can I get it? 20s, and I got another one. And let's see if we can get my last one's down at the hole. Can we get that one? And everything is on lows. Can we get another push down to the hole? Down to 84. And we're only a couple cents away now. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, actually, that was my stop. I think we can get another push down below. But I'm willing to take this here as well and just call it. But entire market's on lows. I think they're going to go check this 84. So I'm going to try to hold on. I think they're going to go check this 84. Everything on lows. Just all the names. Can we get a check of 84 in this BABA? Here they go. Here comes the check, I think. Down to 11 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents. Looking for another push down. Looking for that flush on the tape, which I'm not seeing yet. It feels like there's more selling to go. I mean, everything's, the red ticker's just running here. So trying to hang on to this last lot for another little bit. Facebook on lows. Can we get back down? Here's the hole. 5 cents, 4 cents, 3 cents. Seller is not pushing it right now, not hitting the bids. Got down to 3 cents and I'm in the 90s here. And, oh, got down to 96, did not get it. I'm going to take partial off there, so I have 50 shares left. I got it at 2 cents. And now I just have a sixth of my original position in case we do a very quick flush. Like we're about to do, it looks like. Maybe down to the 70s, I don't know. 80s, 70s, something like that. There's a pop, and I'm probably going to exit here. And I'm out. I'm flat this BABA here. So I had to sit through quite a bit of pain. Never violated my stop. I did a good job sitting through all these movements and actually getting that move down to 84 that I was originally looking for. Also did a good job of holding on to my size until low a day. So pretty happy with my handling of that trade, but it was not easy. That was a more difficult one. So should make for an interesting video.